Welcome back to KiraStyle Garden. Have you ever looked at old, broken household items and wondered if they could be useful again? Today, we are turning everyday junk into absolutely stunning garden decor. Get ready to transform your outdoor space on a budget with these brilliant, easy upcycling DIY projects. Let's get started. Welcome back to KiraStyle Garden. Do you have an old, dented kitchen colander sitting around? Don't throw it away just yet. We are going to transform it into a vibrant, hanging planter that will completely elevate your outdoor space. A fresh coat of glossy turquoise paint gives it a completely new life, perfectly contrasting with the lush green ivy cascading over the sides. It is such a simple, budget-friendly way to add stunning vertical interest to your beautiful garden. Instead of recycling those empty, colorful glass bottles, let us turn them into a mesmerizing Suncatcher wind chime. By cutting them into rings and suspending them from rustic driftwood with sturdy jute twine, you create a captivating piece of hanging art. As the warm, golden hour sunlight shines through the cobalt blue and emerald green glass, it casts the most beautiful dancing shadows across your lawn while bringing a peaceful, artistic atmosphere right into your stylish cottage garden. Let us add a touch of playful charm to your flower beds with these adorable, upcycled garden bugs made entirely from old metal spoons. By simply painting the spoon bowls bright red with little black spots, they instantly transform into hyper-realistic ladybugs resting beautifully on weathered stones. They add such a fun, unexpected element to the low-growing thyme and daisies. This incredibly easy weekend craft brings a joyful, welcoming personality to your quiet, luxurious backyard sanctuary. We all experience the heartbreak of a shattered clay pot, but now you can turn those broken bases into magical decorative toadstools. By painting the terracotta caps a vibrant red with classic white polka dots and attaching them to salvaged wooden chair legs, you instantly create a whimsical, enchanting feature. Nestled among the lush fern fronds, These sturdy little mushrooms add a delightful fairy tale touch to your perfectly manicured garden without costing you a single penny. Give those old worn-out rubber rain boots a brilliant second chance by using them as quirky, cheerful planters. The weathered, bright yellow texture of the boots looks absolutely fantastic when bursting with colorful, sun-loving marigolds and vibrant nasturtiums. Placing them casually along a weathered stone path immediately brings a relaxed, welcoming energy to your yard. It is a wonderfully creative, sustainable way to showcase your gorgeous blooming flowers while keeping your beautiful garden looking utterly unique. Take a rusted, reclaimed bicycle wheel frame and turn it into a stunning vertical garden trellis. By weaving rustic twine and colorful fabric scraps through the spokes, you build a functional piece of art for your sweet pea vines to climb. Mounted securely on a weathered wooden post, the geometric symmetry of the wheel provides gorgeous visual interest. It is a fantastic, highly creative focal point that seamlessly blends industrial charm with your thriving, lush green backyard landscape. Elevate your backyard aesthetic by repurposing an ornate, vintage iron chandelier frame into a breathtaking, multi-tiered hanging planter. Painted in a soft, distressed creamy white, it becomes the perfect elegant home for small terracotta pots overflowing with trailing string of pearls and colorful succulents. Suspended from a heavy rusted chain, the intricate iron scrollwork catches the golden hour sunlight beautifully, bringing an incredibly luxurious, antique cottage vibe right into the heart of your serene outdoor living space. Keep your lush herb bed perfectly organized with these incredibly charming, handcrafted plant markers made from upcycled broken ceramic plates. The glossy, irregular shards featuring lovely blue willow and floral patterns look absolutely stunning against the rich, dark garden soil. Hand-painting the plant names in elegant white script adds a gorgeous, personal touch. Fastened to salvaged wooden stakes, they are a brilliantly sustainable and uniquely stylish way to label your thriving roses and fresh lavender plants. Stay perfectly organized during your gardening sessions with an incredibly clever, upcycled tool rack made from a reclaimed, rusty rake head. Securely mounted to a weathered fence post, the curved metal tines serve as sturdy, rustic hooks for hanging your gardening gloves, wooden trowels, and jute twine. The heavy texture of the rusted iron looks fantastic against the aged silver wood. This functional, brilliant piece of trash-to-treasure decor keeps everything tidy while adding lovely rustic charm. Create a serene, private oasis in your backyard by building a magnificent privacy screen from salvaged, varying-sized window shutters. Painted in a distressed patchwork of pastel blue, green, and cream, the layered textures bring incredible character to your patio. By attaching small hanging glass jars filled with fresh wildflowers and trailing ivy, you instantly soften the wooden structure. This gorgeous, handcrafted architectural feature beautifully defines your space while maintaining the quiet, luxurious atmosphere of your garden. Define your beautiful manicured lawn with a stunning, upcycled pathway border made entirely from colorful, empty glass bottles. Inserted neck down into the rich soil, the alternating cobalt blue, emerald green, and amber glass creates a captivating translucent edge along your gravel path. As the warm afternoon sunlight hits the bottles, they sparkle brilliantly among the soft green creeping moss. It is a highly creative, eco-friendly way to add vibrant color and architectural geometry to your serene backyard. is a wrap on our Trash to Treasure garden makeover. We took everyday items like old boots, broken plates, and rusted rakes, and gave them a beautiful second life outdoors. Which project are you going to try first? Let me know down in the comments. If you love these ideas, please hit that like button, subscribe to KiraStyle Garden, and share this video with a friend.